Hi, Miss. My name is Juin, and my group leader is Chee. Now I will start our presentation. Okay, this is our introduction. We have the appointed role responsible for designing and implementing the network. Our role is important to ensuring the seamless communication and connectivity across the company, department, and location. Innovative company has different office location based on their company department. Each department of the innovative company has different number of hosts and subnet. For our task, it is to create the network infrastructure that not only connect this company department efficiently and also dedicate the subnet for each department, providing the necessary routing and switching capability to manage the different traffic across the company department. Next is why is BRSM preferred? BRSM is preferred in this scenario and is provide for more efficient IP address allocate and conversation by assigning subnet with different size based on the need of each department and location. BRSM allowed the network to subnet more efficiently by according large subnet to department with large host requirement. This ensures that the available address space is utilized to its full potential and the IP address are not wasted. Using fixed subnet across the network is inefficient and can waste the IP address in smaller subnets. VRSM can help to prevent this scenario from happening. It allows more accurate subnetting, which saves the IP address space and help the network remain scalable as the company grows. Next is our VRSM table. Okay, as you can see, this is our VRSM table. For the human resource department, the number of hosts required 7,500,000. Prefix is 9. Subnet mask is 255.128.0.0. Subnet address is 10.0.0.0. First usable address is 10.0.0.1. Last usable address is 10.127.255.254. Broadcast address is 10.127.255.255. Okay, for the sales department, the number of hosts required is 1,800,000. The prefix is 11. The subnet mask is 255.224.0.0. Subnet address is 10.128.0.0. Okay, for the next department is marketing department. Marketing department has 1,012,000, 1,012,500 hosts. Prefix is 12. The subnet mask is 255.240.0.0. Subnet address is 10.160.0.0. For the next department is our operation and management department. The number of hosts required is 382,822,500. Our prefix is 14. Our subnet mask is 255.248.0.0. Okay, for the next department is quality assurance unit. The number of hosts required is 100,000 and the prefix is 15 and the subnet mask is 255.252.0.0. Okay, the subnet address is 10.184.0.0. And last, our department is Living Dome. Living Dome, the number of hosts required is 56,250. The prefix is 16 and the subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. The subnet address is 10.188.0.0. Okay, next is our network topology. We use the star topology in our assignment. This is because each end device connect to a switch for every company department, and the switch is connected to a router. It is more reliable compared to another topology. If one device fails in the network, it does not affect the another device since all devices are directly linked to the switch. The advantage of star topology is easy to troubleshoot because it can isolate and troubleshoot the network, and the network errors are easier to detect. Okay. Also, adding the new device does not affect the network. Okay, next I will pass to the Chee to continue to present our assignment.
Hello, my name is Chee, and I'm here to present our network configuration for the fundamentals of computer networking assignment. Yes. Okay, one moment. Okay, so this is our topology, and for the configuration, I'll show you how I would configure for our network here. Okay, so first I'll be adding a PC to this human resource department at location A, and using the fast Ethernet interface to the fast Ethernet of the switch. Then configuration, the IP address would be the default gateway would be 0.0.0.1, 10.0.0.1, and for the IP address it would be 10.0.0.7. This one's using 3, this one's using 4, this one's using 5, this one's using 6, this one would be 7. Okay, subnet mask would be 255.128.0.0. Okay, save. Alright, that's all for the configuration, and I'll try to ping it to somewhere else. Okay, let's see. Ping 10.128 to the other department. This one's sales department from the first floor. 0.5. Okay, so as you can see, the pinging is successful. Okay, I'll show you 100% one. Okay, that's all for the configuration and also the pinging. Right, next up, demonstration. Okay. Right, that's all for the network configuration, and moving on to ping connectivity. Yeah, we did that as well. And okay, I can show you one more. Okay, I'll use PC0. Start on ping 10.176.0.3. Okay, successful. Try it again for 100%. Okay, alright, that's all. Saving. So packet would be pinging from here, PC0 to the switch, then to this side, operation and management department. This PC will be having the IP address of 10.176.0.3. So it did manage to ping that. Okay, that's all for the ping connectivity. Okay, so moving on, I'll be talking about the digital resources we use. Okay, so I'll be explaining like how we use Cisco Packet Tracer for and all the digital resources we use. For the Cisco Packet Tracer, like I showed you just now, it's a simulation for us to like mess around and also to have a simulation instead of doing it in real life, where it would like cost us a lot lah. And for YouTube, we browse for we looked for tutorials and resources, academic resources through YouTube, and then we watch them and we will learn from it, like how they would configure some of those switches to router, and how to add another port into the router, and that allows us to explore and find out what we need from YouTube. And for Google Docs, we use it for documentation, for recording all what we did and everything we did, all those pinging connectivity and configurations. We would record everything down in Google Docs. And as for TeamViewer, we use TeamViewer to collab with my teammate online. Sometimes we couldn't meet physically, so I would use TeamViewer to access his laptop to configure some part, like to help him out. And for Zoom, I'll be using Zoom, this platform, this digital resource, to record this YouTube video, this small presentation of mine. And for Google Meet, we held meetings there. Like once in a while we would have meetings to discuss what kind of challenges we face and discuss on the solutions as well, and also the due dates and also the task distribution. Likeshot, it's a screen capture application. It gives us the ability to screenshot some of the demonstration we did through the Cisco Packet Tracer. We did use Likeshot to screenshot it. CapCut, we would use CapCut as our main editing software for our YouTube presentation video. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you, and thank you for your cooperation and also your attention.